LaptopKeyboard.com, your source for replacement laptop keyboards. Notice, the keyboard installation procedure is different for every laptop model. At LaptopKeyboard.com, we have created a searchable database of keyboard installation guides. Our database will allow you to find the exact installation guide for your laptop keyboard. Simply go to LaptopKeyboard.com, click on the Installation Guides link, select your laptop brand, series, and model, and you'll be taken to the custom video guide for your laptop. That's all. You're now ready to install your laptop keyboard. Turn the laptop over. Remove the screws. Remove the cover. Remove the cable. Remove the screws. Remove the laptop battery. Remove the screws. Remove the wire. Gently pry out the hard drive. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Gently remove the front plastic cover. Remove the screws. Remove the cable. Gently pry out the keyboard. We will now install your new replacement keyboard. Place the screws back in. Plug the cable back in. Place the screws back in. Slide the hard drive back in the laptop. Plug the cable back in. Place the screws back in. Plug the cable back in. Place the screws back in. Snap the plastic cover back in place. LaptopKeyboard.com, your source for replacement laptop keyboards.